Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you how to make this amazing banana cake in a blender. It is so soft and the texture is amazing. I loved it so much, so spongy and so easy to make. If you like such kind of videos, do not forget to give this one a big thumbs up, and also remember to leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into the recipe. So to make this recipe, guys, you're going to need bananas, and I used a total of 3 ripe bananas. You're just going to peel them and then cut them into smaller pieces. If you can lay your hands on the very ripe bananas, even better, because they give the best results. Just cut them into smaller pieces, paying particular attention to some parts that could have gone bad or some that look black. And after cutting into smaller pieces, you're going to transfer the bananas to a blender. And after that, you're going to add a half tablespoon of lemon juice. This is just to help in flavor and also to prevent the bananas from turning black. And after that, I added 2 eggs and 100 grams of sugar. And after adding all those to a blender, you're going to cover your blender and now start blending. You're going to blend this for like 2 minutes just to ensure that the mixture is fluffy and that all the ingredients have come together beautifully. At this point, you can add vanilla essence if you like, and also after that I added a half cup of oil, and that is equivalent to 100 grams. And after that, you're going to continue blending, and when everything has come together nicely, you're now going to take the mixture and transfer it to a bowl. You can see everything has come together nicely, so fluffy. This is the preferred outlook of the mixture. And after that, now I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon of baking powder and first sifted that to get rid of any dirt and unwanted things from the baking powder. And after that, I added 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Be sure to sift it before adding it into the mixture. And after sifting the flour, you can see that there's some dirt that is left on the sieve. Just discard that, you do not need that. And then you're going to go in with a spatula and give it a good mix, just ensuring that everything comes together nicely, just folding in the dry ingredients like you see on the video. And after the mixture is ready, the cake batter is ready, you're going to take your prepared baking tin, and now you're going to transfer the cake batter as it is ready. You can see the consistency is okay, and you're going to tap the baking tin on the working surface just to get rid of any air bubbles. And after that, it's ready for baking. I baked at 180 degrees, and after 50 minutes, it took me 50 minutes to bake this cake, but you know, ovens are different. And you can see it's very nicely cooked, so well done. The outlook of it is amazing. I'm just going to cut this cake so you can see the inside of it. You can see it looks so fluffy, so well cooked, and so easy to make. Guys, like you've seen, this was an easy one. So if you have a blender, you can try it out at home, and if you do not have a blender, you can try mashing the bananas to get a smooth consistency and then follow along with the other steps. The cake is so soft and we loved it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like and share, and see you on my next one.